That's life.
That's life.
That's what all the people say. You're riding high in April, shot down in May. But I know I'm gonna change that tune when I'm back on top, back on top.
I've got this tool ready to grab the bolt, but I think it'll just stick to your 15mm wrench with so much gunk.
Corn though, that shit's hot as all hell.
Oh.
Hey, don't. Oh, I lost it.
Oh, it's right there behind you.
Here's the cheap gasket they put.
No way.
Yeah, way, dog.
Alright, so after dropping the drain plug, Lawrence noticed that there was a gasket, and the particular gasket that was around the drain plug screw was not copper. It seemed to be like a rubber. You're not going to be able to see that actually. Our lighting equipment is back here. But it was like a rubber gasket. However, will you bring that one up here? We ended up buying some copper gaskets. We had to go to AutoZone right now, and these are, it came with 3 different sizes. They were about $3, $3.50 or something. And it came with 3 different copper gaskets. So we're gonna go ahead and add one of these gaskets. We'll try each size, add them to the drain plug, and then we will start adding oil to the car and take her out for a little cruise. So we have the copper gasket on there now, and Lawrence is just going to add the drain plug.
And you always want to clean the connector. Connecting side of hand itself. Just to get debris out so it'll sit flush.
Nice.
This ain't rubber, this is copper, so you definitely want to make sure it's flush.
Good point.
With no debris, sand. Still hear it in there. Just
Yeah, you can still hear it in
gives
there.
me the cringes.
But you cleaned it down.
But I can't stick I don't want to stick like more dirt in there. And just leave it. And tight. For sure.
So there's the oil filter, and we are about to unscrew that from under the car, and then we'll put in the new filter. That's good.
Alright,
You don't even know where it goes.
I am committing to place as it spills.
Committing to place. Yeah, you didn't spill them that hard.
Oh yeah, it's gonna spill now. I haven't tipped it yet.
No. There you go. Good job, Law. Good job, Law.
Alright, there we go.
So Lawrence is about to add some fluid to the car. First step, remove the cap.
Until you're dead, but you just got a bottle upside the head.
Just finished the oil change, and I told you that transmission is not blown. So far, we're cruising. This car's crazy. Alright, so we got our food, we made it where we needed to go. So time to eat, and another video coming soon. So make sure you stay tuned and subscribe if you like the video. Click like if you like what you see.
That's life. That's what all the people say. You're riding high in April, shot down in May. But I know I'm gonna change that tune. When I'm back on top of June, I said that's life. And as funny as it may seem, some people get their kicks stomping on a dream. But I don't let it get me down. 'Cause this fine old world, it keeps spinning around. I've been a puppet, a pauper, a pirate, a poet, a pawn and a king. I've been up and down and over and out. And I know one thing, each time I find myself flat on my face, I pick myself up and get back in the race. That's life.
That's life.
I tell you, I can't deny it. I thought of quitting, baby.